Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to retrieve responses in Google Forms. So guys, first thing, just simply go to docs.google.com/forms and this will be their homepage. And after that, just simply select one of your forms that you want to retrieve the responses with. And now, as you can see in your form, you will have three categories over here and select responses. Now guys, here on the responses, you should be able to see here these three dots over here. And now you will have multiple options over here. So you could download the responses over here, or you could print the responses. So guys, I recommend going for the download over here. And as you can see, it will be a CSV file. And when we go to the file and right click on it and just simply select extract all and select extract, you should be able to see a Excel type form of your responses. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.